Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And today we'll be learning about, actually not learning, we'll be getting a little aware about the current affairs. The date today is 24th of October 2024, and the current affairs for today will have a look upon that, right? So yeah, let us start with the current affairs. Why and whom should watch these current affairs? These current affairs are for those who are preparing for any kind of government examinations. For example, like any kind of like AFCAT, CDS, uh, majorly SSC examinations, UPSC, uh, and even if you're not even preparing for any of that kind of government examination, it is beneficial for you as a normal human being as well. Being a responsible citizen, you should be aware about what is happening into your country and what is happening across the world, right? So just to be aware about what's happening here and there. So these current affairs are there. Apart from that, current affairs could also be helpful to you if you are into the corporate world as well. Reason being that who are appearing for interviews, especially into different colleges, into different institutions, or maybe companies. Current affairs or general awareness, your knowledge about what's happening all around could be a plus point for you uh, into the interviews, so that you could get selected, as it is a plus pointer for your personality enhancement, right? Okay, so moving ahead. So German Unity Day, it's celebrated on 3rd of October, which was yesterday, and today is 4th of October. This is a fact-based CA, so you do not need to remember, and do not need to go into the depth of it. Just remember it that on 3rd of October, Unity Day was celebrated. Coming ahead, Navratri 2024 is going on. All the Indians, especially Hindus, must be aware that from 3rd of October, Navratri has started, wherein the Hindu community of India, basically in Hinduism, people worship goddess Durga for 9 days into different forms. Like every day is a different day, worshipping different devi, right? Moving ahead, Israel has banned United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres. So this is something that you need to, get into your mind, that could be a little important in terms of people who are appearing for any kind of government examinations. This Israel Hamas war is going on for like for quite long now. So those who are following, they must also be aware about it. Now, this is quite important, right? What does it says? Claudia Sheinbaum has been sworn as the country's first woman president in Mexico. तो मेक्सिको की प्रेसिडेंट बनी है ये अभी रिसेंटली. इनका नेम आप याद कीजिए. ये फर्स्ट वुमेन है जो कि प्रेसिडेंट बनी है मेक्सिको के अंदर, राइट? Moving ahead, the Nagaland government has selected Wales as one of the partner countries for the upcoming 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival. There are different type of festivals, which are regional to different states. Nagaland comes into the northeastern states of India, and it is quite famous also. I'll be coming back with certain videos on different type of festivals which are celebrated across India, and especially into the northeast, because they are asked a little bit into the government examinations. So as of now, the Nagaland government has decided that Wales would be one of the partner countries for their upcoming 25th edition. It is the 25th edition, to keep this into your mind while you're going on through this current affair for the Hornbill Festival. Coming ahead, the Indian Navy's annual top-level international conference, Indo-Pacific रीजनल डायलॉग 2024 3 अक्टूबर से 5 अक्टूबर तक होगा. कहाँ होगा? न्यू दिल्ली के अंदर होगा. आई रिपीट अगेन, इंडियन नेवी की जो एनुअल टॉप लेवल, यानी कि जो हर साल होती है इनकी इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, जिसका नाम क्या है? इंडो पैसिफिक रीजनल डायलॉग 2024 का 3 अक्टूबर से 5 अक्टूबर को नई दिल्ली में कंडक्ट किया जाएगा, राइट? Moving ahead, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has increased the wages of spinners by 25% and those of loom operators by 7% from October 2nd. You can ignore this. The ministry MSME has increased the wages of spinners, basically जो धागा बनाते हैं, I mean like जो धागा धुनते हैं या whatever you say, the people who make thread, तो spinners की जो वेजेस है, जो जो लोग पैसा कमाते हैं उसमें 25% का इंक्रीमेंट किया गया है. और जो लूम ऑपरेट करते हैं बेसिकली, जिससे जो धागे को पूरा असेंबल करके कपड़ा बनाते हैं, जो एक मशीन हमने पढ़ी थी क्लास 8 6 आई मीन लाइक 6 to 8 के बीच में, तो उनकी जो इनकम है वो 7% से इंक्रीज़ हो गई है October 2nd से, राइट. Now, eminent artist Lakshman Shrestha will be honored with late Vasudev Gaitonde Lifetime Achievement Award by the Maharashtra government. Okay, so मिस्टर लक्ष्मण श्रेष्ठा को ऑनर किया जाएगा. अवार्ड का नेम लर्न कर लीजिए, लेट वसुदेव गायतोंडे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड. कौन दे रहा है ये अवार्ड मिस्टर लक्ष्मण श्रेष्ठा को? महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट, राइट. Moving ahead, the World Green Economy Forum has been launched in Dubai from 2nd October. 2nd October से World Green Forum Economy Forum launch कर दिया गया है. किसके द्वारा लॉन्च किया गया है? दुबई. Moving ahead, recently the 17th meeting of the India-Germany Military Cooperation Subgroup was held in Berlin. This is quite important. Just keep in mind, 17th meeting थी India Germany Military Cooperation की, और कहाँ पर held हुई है ये? बर्लिन के अंदर, राइट. नाउ मूविंग अहेड, द 26th वाटर एनर्जी, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, या 26th वाटर एनर्जी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड एनवायरनमेंट एग्जीबिशन 2024 कब स्टार्ट हुआ था? 1 अक्टूबर को दुबई वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में, राइट. मूविंग अहेड, Police and Rajiv Gandhi University in Arunachal Pradesh have signed an agreement in Itanagar. जो लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं न्यूज़ को डेली, उनको शायद पता होगा कि पुलिस और राजीव गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी जो उत्तर अरुणाचल प्रदेश के अंदर है, उसने एक एग्रीमेंट साइन किया है ईटानगर पे. किस ओकेजन पे? गांधी जयंती, विच वॉज ऑन 2nd October. Under this agreement, Annie's Home, a healing center of trauma victims, will be established, right? Yeah. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for keeping your patience. I'll be improving from day by day, and apologies for all kind of mistakes that I would have done throughout this video. Thank you so much for your time.